Hello, we are here to present the presentation for the subject digital design. In this project, in our group, my name is Eric, and the task for me is to design the home screen for it. As you can see, I have the basic idea for the home screen. As you can see in my prototype, I have the basic hand sketch for it. And if you compare it to the old website, the header for it was too big, so I minimized the font for it so it looks cleaner. And we have tried to do this in every screen if possible. And for the logo, it was quite messy here. All the options and the icons were quite mixed with the logo, so we separated it with a logo on the left side and the icons on the right side. And there was no search bar here, so I added the search bar. As for the menu, uh, top-down menu, I went with the traditional way and designed it with the old way. So if people have a bad eyesight, they can easily navigate this. As for the overall design of the website, the picture here is the same here, but I minimized a little bit and rounded the corner so it is more immersive and more minimalistic looking than the old version. As for the font style, everything's the same. I just changed the font for it, so it looks more nice now. As for the other pictures, all are the same. But if you see here, there is no product section here. So I added the product section here, and uh, for every section, I added this partition for every section. As you can see here, there is a partition here about the bestseller, and there was no partition here. So it looks overall nicer than the old version. As you can see, everything is the same as the original version. I just changed the font here for the Instagram link, and for the footer scroll bar, I just rounded the corners again, so it looks more clean and rounder now. Now for the next part, I will hand it over to Rohit. The mic is off, Rohit.
Thanks, buddy, for the great description. Now I'm going to continue this slide. Okay, so here I'm going to present my screen. So here's the rough diagram that I have made, a prototype that what changes I have to make in this application. So according to this chart, I have made some changes in the header. Uh, just make it more stable and in the hierarchy. Just because if we see our official website, it's a kind of messy. Even we can see here the menu option is look like it's a part of the logo. So basically I had work on the products page. So if we want to go to the products and what products we have in this website, so it's kind of difficult to find here just because the option is hidden in the logo. Here's the menu bar and we can go to the products, and here we find the accessories. So we have to follow these hidden steps and hierarchy to go to the accessories. So I make changes in it, and now we can directly access the accessories by just click on it. Uh, Here's the product page, and you can directly go from here to the accessories. So after that I had added some description to the accessories here, and after that just because on the homepage the people who see the no official website, they will think about that the only soaps are available here, but it's not. We have many other things to buy here in the accessories like bag, towel, and razor, and the tea, and many other things. So I have make some good updation in it. So now now it's this slide, even the page look more attractive than the official website. So that's it from my part. Now I'm just hand overing this slide to my friend Likita.
Thank you. Rohit, can you stop sharing? Hmm. So this is the artboard which I have worked on. So this is the original website of the mobile view. And this is the lo-fi sketch which I have drawn. And by this, I'm going to redesign the web page of that website. So I have decreased the size of it, and I have added the background color, and we have also changed the logo part because we want it to be visible clearly. And we have even changed, I have even changed the background color here, and I have kept the buck naked part in this box so that it can be visible that it is a buck naked website. And I have even changed the pledge. It is a foundation, so it also needs to be visible clearly. And I have kept the image like that as it is nice. And I have changed the heading to the middle part so that it will look nice when you open the page. And the font is the same, and I just increase the font style, and that's it. And the wiring prototype is when you click on the, it is connected to the home screen, which is here. There is a about part. Then when you click on it, it will directly get into this about page. So the next slide will be take over by Ramandeep.
Thank you, Nikita. So now I'm going to present the page of news, which is also called as a Buck News, according to this site. So just let's share the screen. So there is a difficulty to sharing my screen. So that's why Ritual sharing for me. Thank you, Ritual. Okay, so here is the rough idea of my artboard. So in the rough idea, actually, I represent that how the logo will look like, or the text, or how it is done, all things. Okay, if I compared this artboard to the previous one, or sorry, to the website, actual website, how it will look like in the mobile view. So here is the original view, and here is my artboard view. I don't make much changes because it doesn't look so messy or as well. So I just make it a more user friendly. So that's why I just highlighted the naked news and just lined it so that it more clearly visible to the users. And as well as I also changed the font style because I think it is not clearly. So I just change it and make it um, in Adobe XD font. I use the Adobe XD font. So I also make the alignment of the text because in the original website, there is no alignment shown in the text. So I just make it in aligned so that it visible clearly, and also it look attractive to the user as well, because the user mostly like to read the things just 2 or 5 or 6 words, not like much in the actual website. So after then I don't change the text, is similar with the actual website. I just change the place of the comments and read more, because in the actual website it is very closely and doesn't sound good. So that's why I make changes in it just to differentiate and look different as well, so that user can easily visible it. The picture is same as the actual website, just to little bit curve of it. um, After then text is same as I said. I use the XD font for this, so that the font looks broader and as well good. That's it, I think, because I just similar, I make changes in the comments, read more, and definitely picture is same, text is same, just make some changes so that it looks like a user friendly. So that's it on my side. So I give the slide to the ritual. So please proceed.
Yeah. So my part is the contact page. I redesigned the contact page, and this is the lo-fi vibe sketch for the contact page. And if I compare it with the older version, I haven't changed so many things. I just changed like little changes, like resizing things, changing fonts, just a little bit, not that bigger layout changes. So first of all, yeah, I maintained the consistency for the website by just keeping the navbar same and this Broadcom same. I also I made the title bigger and underlined it so it looks like title. Uh, and then I just changed the font, made it a little bit bigger, and uh, changed it, aligned it with the font family throughout the website. And next part is this image. It is pretty much same. I made this input boxes a little bit bigger and also aligned this placeholders within them and provided them with the padding. And yeah, this I just changed this button and made like uh, made a bit more contrasty. And the add part is the footer. I changed the footer, and it's like pretty much messy in the mobile original website. I just changed it. I separated both the company and navigation links in two column layout, and changed the fonts, made the description fonts lighter, and yeah, aligned the copyright below, provided it with spacing, and yeah, that's pretty much it
Ritu,
for the
can you
changes.
cover
And
the prototype for the whole artboard?
yeah, so now I'm going to play the whole prototype, the final version of the prototype for this website. So this, as you can see, this is the first homepage. Now I just go through the products page through this link, and product. This is the product page. Now I'm going to homepage again, back. Now I'm going back to the about page, and this is the about page. Now it is the news page. This is the news page, and finally there is the contact page. So this is the final prototype of our redesigned website, and that's it from our website. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.